I'll do this question by finding out the numbers that are divisible by 2, 5, and 7. And I'll be using a Venn diagram. And this is a general type of question, comes up in different flavors. So these are numbers divisible by 2. These are by 5 and 7. And of course, there are overlaps. So numbers divisible by 2, half of those are even. So that whole circle is 60. Same thing with 5. Divide 120 by 5, you would get 24. And then by 7, you do the same thing. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So that's 17. Now I need to figure out these overlaps. So numbers that are divisible by both 2 and 5, those are multiples of 10. And there are 12 of those. So that's going to be this whole thing. Now, of course, it's easier to first figure out how many are divisible by all 3, which would be just a multiple of 2, 5, and 7. Since they don't have a common factor, that's their least common multiple, which is 70. And there's only 1 here. So 1 goes here. This whole thing that I just calculated, that are multiples of 10, there are 12 of those, which means this is 11. So that 11 represents numbers that are divisible by both 2 and 5, but not by 7. So same thing, we'll figure out numbers that are divisible by 2 and 7. Those would be multiples of 14. And you'll see 14 times 7 I know is 98. If you add another 14, that's 112. So we'll have 8 of those, which means this is 7. So again, anytime I fill these regions, it represents what belongs to that region. So this would be numbers that are divisible by 7 and 2, but not by 5. And then finally here, I figure out numbers divisible by 5 and 7. Those are multiples of 35. And there's 3 of them, so that would be 2. Now I need to count, so this entire circle is 60. So I just need to then figure out what goes here, here, and then add it to 2. So this would be numbers that are divisible by 7, but not by 2 and 5. So that total is 17. These 3 categories add up to 10, so that's 7. So I add 7 here. Same thing here, 11 plus 1, 12 plus 2 is 14. That total is 24, so that's 10. So I get another 10 here. So 9 plus 10, 19, and 60, that's 79. That means 79 numbers are divisible by 2, 5, or 7, or their multiples. So I need to subtract that 79 from 120 to figure out numbers that are not divisible by any of these. And that would be 41, which is answer choice C.